एनसीपी पर भी करीब करीब 70,000 करोड़ रुपए के घोटालों का आरोप है।
बीजेपी के साथ मिलकर अजीत पवार महाराष्ट्र की सरकार में शामिल हुए हैं।
ये यूपी की साइड कानपुर साइड एक नहर जाती है, तो उसमें ये डाइवर्ट किया जा सकता है। सारा पानी दिल्ली की तरफ जा रहा है। अब मैं आपको हम देखते हैं कि क्या इधर जो सहारनपुर की तरफ यूपी में जो नहर जाती है उसमें भी पानी है। सहारनपुर यूपी को ये नहर जाती है, सातवीं जो हमने आपको दिखाया था। 14 जुलाई फ्राइडे के दिन मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ सुबह। अब आप देखिए ये नहर बिल्कुल ही सूखी है। जब हम
शर्मा जी करप्ट थे या नहीं थे?
चलो भैया,
अमित भाई जवाब दीजिए।
जी मैं जवाब देना नहीं चाहता इसका। इस तरह से क्वेश्चन नहीं करते।
हेमंत विश्व शर्मा का नाम तो सुना ही होगा। असम के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, जिन पर बुकलेट जारी किया जाता है और वाटर सप्लाई स्कैम में उनके ऊपर बुकलेट जारी करके भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप बीजेपी के द्वारा लगाया जाता है, और वही व्यक्ति कांग्रेस छोड़कर बीजेपी में आता है और आज असम का मुख्यमंत्री बन जाता है। तो बीजेपी में जाते ही सारे पाप धुल जाते हैं।
So Modi ji spoke about the corruption in Maharashtra by NCP, and the next day the leader joins BJP and supports Modi government, that is Eknath Shinde's government in Maharashtra, and states there is no leader like Modi. And during the elections in Bengal there are riots, and most of the people causing the riots are found out to be from UP and Bihar. And in Tamil Nadu there are n number of ED and CBI raids on existing government's political leaders, that is like ministers and all, and they are being charged on various cases. And it's a sad that Delhi is going through such kind of disasters, natural disaster, but the Delhites claim that बाढ़ आया नहीं लाया गया. It means people and the existing government in Delhi believes that the water from Hathani Kund Dam is being diverted to Delhi instead of letting it flow through UP. So there are n number of videos that prove their strategy. And not long ago he spoke about Kerala Stories movies, that is in his language is Kerala Files. He promoted it because the movie is literally giving a negative impression on Kerala and how Hindus are being treated in Kerala. So as per recent allegations, Uttarakhand is being portrayed as in danger because of a particular religion who consume meat and alcohol. And for your information, Uttarakhand is ruled by BJP, and just like in Gujarat, why can't be liquor banned in there? And as soon as Hemant Vishwa Sharma, on whom BJP has released a booklet claiming that he is a scammer in a water supply scam, and as soon as he joins BJP, he becomes a chief minister of Assam. So everywhere where there is no BJP, the state is either corrupted or unsafe for Hindus, or politically critically acclaimed. And what about Manipur? It is ruled by BJP. What about MP? It is ruled by BJP. But recent stories of Manipur and MP show us how people are being treated. Even Ramji only turned one stone into Ahalya, okay? But it's BJP, miraculously, they make each and every corrupted politician into a stepping stone to gain politically leading in the particular state. Wow, that's a master stroke, I guess.